the simplest AI applications out there, and today we'll be taking a look at it and pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here you may see editing is pretty much where you're going to pretty much edit your photos, advanced or pretty much HD your photos, higher graphics or upscale, whatever cases. So here you have the edit patch, so you can edit multiple videos, but pretty much the same edit for all these, not videos, sorry, photos. And you have the AI cutout will pretty much cut out or remove the background for you. You have the AI expand and retouch. These are all the features that the application has in the tools section. So in the gallery section is pretty much where you go to view all your pictures and support that you want to edit and so nothing much for that. So as I said, for a simple application. So down here you may see AI art, and these are just some AI Halloween stuff that you can pretty much select some of your photos and edit, pretty much turn them into these images. But they will give you examples of how those images should look so you can get the best result when you use it. So all you have to do, let's say you want the anime or the Halloween anime, just tap on that and select a couple photos and it will generate it for you. So that's just pretty much the app, and at the top here you may see all the features that you can use. You have the AI remove feature, remove the background for you using AI. You can erase, quick erase anything out of a picture. Nothing much. So those are all the features for this application. So if you tap on the Pro option here, you can see all the features, all the prices for the Pro subscription. As you can see, you get more templates as well. So the prices, you have a lifetime subscription, which is $22, which not that expensive. So yeah, but very, very simple application. Also, you have the 7-day free trial option, but once you go into the subscription page, it will ask you to enable the free trial. So just tap on enable and you should get the 7-day free trial option there, and you're good to go. You can test out everything for the Pro feature and see if you want to continue with your subscription, and you're good to go. You can cancel at any time. So that's pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.